connect them and disguise the connection, right?
Yeah, there's always that thought.
Yeah.
So you could make that into something particular, make it a mark.
Yeah.
So that you don't see the bump as obviously as it would be. She says she doesn't do that.
So if you were to throw that in two parts, though, you would have to again decide what
Well,
two
right at the
parts
bottom,
are.
and then you make this belt, you put them together, but you're gonna get your hand and put them together. They have to be exactly the right
That's cool.
consistency.
Yeah.
Can make it 3 parts. So it has no bottom.
Mm.
Flip it over. Smooth it. Fine.
Right.
Good, good. I think she wants his face as skinny as a dog.
Uh-oh.
I quit.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Well, decided it wasn't functional.
Not functional and very topsy-turvy.
Very topsy-turvy.
But you can sort of see how much time goes into it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a lot. Can you blow into the top and see what happens?
Sure.
No, there you go. It's another.
Is it okay if we
Oh,
blow into the top?
absolutely.
I don't want to ruin your...
I'm so curious.
Yeah. He's going to squish it anyways, I hate to tell you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That'd be lovely. You know, put crystal glaze on them.
Oh my goodness, wouldn't that be just beautiful?
Do you work in crystal glazes, Victoria?
They're expensive.
And they're fussy.
There's a place just there outside Saskatoon that I have to go to someday.
There's a trick to firing crystal glazes. You have to have a special controller. It has to go to temperatures and hold and drop. Hold. Hold.
Oh, it goes
drop.
back up again?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
You have to grow the crystals.
right.
It's an art. It's not an easy thing.
No, it never even dawned on me that it's called a crystalline glaze because you have to grow the crystals. Yeah, duh.
Let me try this. Haha.
Did it blow a hole in it?
Yeah.
Oh.
You can see the principle.
But that's cool.
Created like
If
quite a
you
nice
just
balloon effect.
wait, you have to kind of blow it and hold it.
Yeah,
Blow it and hold it. But it changed the shape quite a bit.
it did. But that was cool. You could see it. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, you saw it go,
yeah.
Yeah.
So for doing big lamps, it was really neat.
Yeah.
You could have this shoulder up here
Mm-hmm.
and then close into the neck, and you could just watch it go.